Hello. It's JF Green Energy Concept. Welcome back to our channel. This video will make you understand how the magnets are arranged in this expanded form, and also the effective utilization of the two poles of the electromagnets. If you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can also share with your friends.
This is the expanded version of our BLDC powersuply system. Our previous video, that BLDC motor that we introduced using two magnets, the north and the south pole at the same time, which uses both the attractive and the repulsive force. Here we have discovered another way of increasing the output torque of that system. That means you get 4 times the normal force. So in this case, the previous ones, we use only the front side of the magnet, just the face of the magnet. This energy at the back of your inductor wasn't utilized, but here you can see the C-shaped system. That means if this place is producing the North Pole effect on this magnet, here should produce a South Pole. That means from your inductor you are making use of both forces. Now you ask yourself, how do you now determine which of the magnets to be used in this system? Here we have 4 magnets in one group. Here you have this attracted. That means if here is your North Pole, definitely this place should be the South Pole. That means first will attract, the opposite, the next side of it should repel. Now in the same case, if here is your South Pole and here is the North, definitely as this thing, when you connect this inductor to the battery source, it will convert this to a North Pole and here to be the South Pole. So when this North Pole is pushing this off and the South is pushing this, repelling this magnet, remember the same force will attract the North that is here and the South that is over here. That means you are now using both the South Pole to push off this, and at the same time the South Pole is being dragged towards this inductor. That's 2 energy combined in one side, and the same thing is happening here, so that you are harnessing 4 times the normal force that is used in your pulse motor. So all the arrangement must be this way: attract, repel, attract, repel. Watch it: attraction, repulsion, attract, repel. Observe again: attract, repel, attract and repel. So you must get it this way. If you don't position it well, you can't get this effect. And also you check the distance between the magnets so that you can harness the attractive force while this one is still being repelled. Most cases you can set the trigger to be at the center so that you harness both forces. The force that is repelling this and that which is attracting this can be equal and opposite, or you make it so that this one will be stronger, but definitely it is better and it's close to the center. You can adjust this depending on the strength of the coil. You can still use an air coil system, but this system, because of the size of the flywheel, we decided to go with this concept. So definitely when you connect this stuff, though the sensor switch that will regulate this thing has not been fixed, what we want to show you here is how to set your magnet so that you can multiply the forces that is generated from this induced magnet, from this induced electromagnet. So you are gaining more power, horsepower from the same input. So let's just connect for an experimental purpose. You'll see something, the effect of this stuff. So let's connect to a power source and see what will happen. You see, this thing is not fixed. I just want to show you something so that you observe, you understand. So from the look of things, when it is connected, it is pushing and attracting, pulling and attracting the magnet at the same time. You understand? Pull, just observe. Push, pull, push, and pull. Understand? So by the time you set the trigger unit, that will time the connection so that you see. So when it is timed properly, you now see that this thing will rotate without any problem. So all we are showing you is that you have to understand how to place this magnet to achieve this. If you don't place it well, you're not gonna get it right. One thing is, placement is very, very important. Knowing the poles and how to connect this setup is very, very important. So the distance depends on the strength of your magnet. If your magnet is powerful enough, you can use a wider distance, and the wider, the more easier it will be for you to connect it. And secondly, this another shape we have here. This the air core type, though with lower or lesser magnet coil thickness. If you see, the coil is not as strong, as heavy as the other gauge. So remember, wider, higher gauge will give you stronger force. So in this case, you observe it is being attracted. So the same way you connect it, and you can observe something. So something must happen. And also in this case, this is the normal part. You can use it this way to test. So you see, when it is placed this way and connected, here it is attracting. Now repulsion. So these are things you observe. You can observe this. So both poles, the two sides of this coil, they are active. So most cases we make use of one side. The normal electric motor make use of one side of the magnetic energy, but in this case we are going into a system that utilizes both side of it. That means you don't waste any flux, you don't waste any energy, because the wastage flux are also wasted energy. So we are heading somewhere. We want you to believe in yourself. Don't doubt your ability. Always remember, the world is in dire need of not only those that think outside the box, but those that think outside the building where the box thinks. So keep believing, keep pushing it. We have come to a point that yes, free energy is assured. I mean, it is assured. Keep your mind open. These things, they are real. Thank you.
If you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can also share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.